Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So, a long time no see because I haven't uploaded a video or filmed a video in ages is what it feels like. In today's video I decided to film kind of like a everyday makeup tutorial, but I'm going to be using some new products that I haven't tried before. So yeah, if you want to see what my makeup will turn out like, then just keep watching. I'm going to start with foundation, and I'm not going to be using a primer just because I haven't been using one in a while, and I have like a new foundation that I've been using, so I really wanted to tell you about it. I might actually zoom you in a little bit. So the foundation I'm going to be using is the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick foundation, and this is what it looks like. It's basically a stick foundation. I have wanted to try a stick foundation for ages. I always wanted to try the Makeup Forever one, but never got around to doing it. So I got this one instead because people were raving about it. I got mine in the shade 120 Rose Vanilla. This is my shade usually in all of the L'Oreal foundations, so I just thought I'd go with this one. But if I was even paler than I am, like I don't have any fake tan or anything, I think I should pick up 100 next time. So yeah, I've been using it for a couple of weeks, and this is how much I still have left. But yeah, I really like it, so I thought I would use it today. I basically draw like 3 lines on my cheeks. It's really cool. I never thought I would like a stick foundation, but I really do like this. So this is basically all I do. I'm not sure if you can see, but there's lines on my face. And I'm going to go in with a wet, like damp beauty blender or sponge, and I'm just going to kind of spread this around. This foundation isn't full coverage, it's light to medium, but it is buildable. But I tend to not build it up, if that makes sense. I don't like high coverage foundations. I just feel like they look really cakey on my skin. I like my skin to be glowy and excuse me, my voice. I like my skin to be glowy, and yeah, I think this is a really good foundation. It's just in a different format. Like, I usually use like a liquid foundation, so I've never used a stick one. What I love about it the most is that it's in a stick form, so it's not liquid. And when I went to London a couple of days ago, I was able to bring that with me, and I didn't have to put it in like one of them Ziploc bags. So it saves you space as well when you're going traveling. So my plan now is to either use this up or stop using it for a while, use a different foundation, and then bring this one with me to Spain, because I really don't want to take up space in my like a Ziploc bag, because I always have so many things there. So that's basically that. You can still see my red cheeks and some like spots that I might have, but I really like it anyway, and I can always go back with a concealer afterwards if I need more coverage, or I can build up the foundation. But as I said, I wouldn't build it up because I feel like it gets cakey a little bit around my nose if I use too much product, so I wouldn't use a lot of product if I was you. The concealer I'm going to be using I haven't tried before, and it's the Be Perfect Cosmetics Be Prepared Conceal and Highlight Concealer. This I believe is available in only one shade, and I got it at the Irish Beauty Show. This is what it looks like. It's in one of them like clicky pens, I guess. I don't like packaging like this, but don't knock it till you try it. So there's the product coming out. I'm not sure if you can see. So let's see what this is like. My friend Kira raves about this. She said it was oh no, she said it was really good. That's so yellow. Okay, I think I need a little bit more. Whoa. It's very liquidy. Look how yellow it is. Okay. Maybe it will work. So again, I'm just using my wet sponge for this. Oh, that's so weird. Oh my god, it has shimmer in it. Oh my god. Oh no. This is so bad. I'm sorry. I really don't like this. It really is a highlight. I didn't know I wasn't able to use it as... Oh my god. Can you see this? Can you see that under my eyes it's literally shimmery and glittery? Oh no. Right, I think this is good for like highlight. I might put it on my cheeks just to show you. Oh my god, I can't believe that. I literally have glitter under my eyes. Right, okay, so next is powder. And I'm just going to use my RCMA powder under my eyes just to set my concealer, as I usually do. So next I'm going to be using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in medium, and I'm just setting my forehead, kind of just my T-zone. Bronzer is next, and I'm still using the same bronzer, which is the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess in the shade medium. I just love this bronzer so much. So I kind of just bring it around my face just to warm it up a little bit. Pretend like Ireland is warm and summery and all that. Although it's very sunny right now, which you can probably see because of the light. Keeps going in and out like. For a highlight, I'm going to be using the Becca, what's it called, palette. And I'm going to take kind of both shades at the same time. So I'm mixing the two. I feel like this is a really nice and natural highlight. Like, it just looks so like summery. I don't know. Maybe it's just me being silly. I don't know if you can see. I might darken the thing a little bit. Is that a bit better? Can you tell I haven't filmed in a while? Brows are next, and I'm going to be using the same products as always, and I'm going to do them off camera just so it's a little bit quicker. So I'm using the Benefit Browsings to start off with, and then I'm going to be setting my brows with the Pixie Brow Tamer. It's just like a clear gel. So yeah, I'll be back once my brows are finished. So brows are done, and next I'm going to be doing my eyeshadows and my eyes and all of that. So the eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using is the So Sue Hot Fire 12 Eyeshadow Signature Smoky Palette. It looks like this. Comes in this sleeve. And then, whoa. And then that's what it looks like. So it has all these cool shades, and yeah, I just love them so much because they're warm shades, and I always go for warm shades. First of all, I'm going to use the shade Spark, which is this one over here, and I'm just going to kind of put this on the outer corner and in the crease of my eye. All of the shadows are super pigmented, which I love. I've never tried anything from So Sue, so this is like my first thing that I have, and I'm very impressed. I really need to get better at like makeup. I don't know, I'm just not that good. Like, I literally go for the same eyeshadow look all the time, whether I'm using a different palette or not. Like, I'm bringing that same shade under my eyes a little bit. I'm going to take a blending brush and kind of just blend this out a little bit. I'm then going to take the shade Heat, which is the one right beside that, and I'm going to put that kind of a little bit more in the inner corners, just to change the color up a bit. I don't really know what I'm doing, I'm just playing along with the colors. I'm going to take a little crease brush, and I'm going to take the shade Depth, which is a really dark shade, and I'm just going to put that on my outer corners. A tiny bit, just to see what that looks like. Now I'm going to take the shade Flame, which is this really like red, glittery, shimmery shade. And I'm going to put that in the middle of my eyelid. And then I'll blend it out afterward. Now I'm going to take this glittery eyeliner. It's from the Tanya Burr, what was it? Advent calendar. And sometimes I use this and I just put it like on, as I would put, Jesus, I can't talk. I'm just going to create like a line on my eyes. I don't know, I just think it looks cool sometimes. And it's something different, like I would never wear this usually. But I have been for like the past few occasions or days that I was doing my makeup like properly and wearing like a full face of makeup. I'm kind of just going back in as it dries because sometimes some places don't have it. So I'm just going back in with like more, 2 or 3 times. I'm going to an Ed Sheeran concert tomorrow and I'm so excited. So I'm kind of like trying some different makeup looks at the moment, just to see what I could do with my makeup. And I feel like this eyeliner is so much easier to apply because I'm terrible at applying black eyeliner, just because it goes everywhere and they're not even or anything. And with this one, you really don't need to be like that precise because it looks good anyway. So that's that done. Next is mascara, and again I'm using a mascara that I haven't tried before, and it's the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I got this a while back, but I've never tried it. So let's see. It's really light and it feels very plasticky and cheap. But we'll see how I get on with that. It's not bad. It doesn't look clumpy or anything. It's separating the lashes nicely. It feels still a little bit too wet for my liking. I usually I don't like really like watery mascaras. So sometimes when I get a watery mascara, I literally leave the lid open for a couple of hours to let it dry down a little bit. And then I love the mascara, so I don't know. If you're like me and you don't like watery mascaras, you can do the same and it helps. Oh, I actually really like this. I'm still using my Clarins, Clinique, I think. Oh Jesus, no, it's Clarins. That mascara, and I'm loving it so much. But I feel like it's going to be finished soon, so I think I'm going to have to either get a new one because it was really, really good, or maybe start using this one because I like it. It kind of reminds me of it, but the other one is a lot more heavy and the brush is a lot better, I think. Okay, I'm gonna wait for that smudge to dry, but whilst I wait, I'm going to do my lips. And for my lips, I'm going to be using the MAC Morning Coffee lip liner with this L'Oreal lipstick in the shade 642. It's one of the new ones that are like shine lipsticks, and this one's kind of like a pinky nude, and I really like it. So first I'm going in with the lip liner. This is like my go-to lip at the moment. And then I place the lipstick kind of in the middle. Like that. It smells really nice as well. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells nice. And at the end, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray, and I'm just going to set my makeup with that. So I really hope you enjoyed seeing my current makeup and some of the new things that I had to try out. It was my second time using this palette because I used it before for like a really simple look. But I really, really like it. Look how pigmented it is. And I'm aware that I keep doing the same eyeshadow, like orangey, but it's just the shades that I really love. But I would definitely recommend this eyeshadow palette if I was you, and if you're looking for something very pigmented and warm colored. I don't know, it's just really, really nice. It matches my top as well. If you're wondering, this top is from Pennies or Primark. It's really cute. It has this tie here. It's like a crop top. I'm wearing leggings now, but it would be really nice with like mom jeans or something. So I can't wear it during the summer. I don't usually wear off the shoulder tops, but I really like this one. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments below what you have been up to recently, and are you still in school, are you doing exams, or are you finished? I feel like a lot has changed kind of since the last time I spoke to you. So like I'm finished with college now, finally. Well, for the summer. I still have one more year to go. I'm getting a new car next week, which is really exciting. I'm thinking about vlogging the day, because I vlogged the day I got my first car, I believe. I think so. But yeah, I'm really excited. So yeah, I'm going to go and film another video, change my top. Or maybe I'll leave it on. Actually, no, I need to change it because I need to haul this. But yeah, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you over on my other social media links, which are linked below. Cheeky promo. Anyway, bye!